When you open Power BI reports or dashboards in phone, it has a different layout than what you see in the website. As you can see here, I have my mobile phone, which if I go to the Power BI app and if I open a report in my phone, the report looks very tiny in the report phone view, and I see at the bottom mention that says rotate your phone to rotate your device to landscape view to see the report. And if I turn it to the landscape view, it looks like this, which might be small in your mobile screen. So I'm about to tell you how you can design your report properly on a phone, so then it would look like this report, for example, which opens perfectly fine in a mobile view, and you can actually use the slicers and filters. Everything works really nicely. Let's see how this works out. So why do we need a mobile layout? That is one of the most important things you can do to speed up the adoption of Power BI in your organization. Most of the decision makers, they are managers, they are in board of directors, they don't have laptop with themselves, they move around different meetings, different places. They usually have their mobile device though. So if you can build your reports mobile friendly, they would use it. It is interactive. It is the most up-to-date data. They don't need printing. It would be really helpful for them to use the Power BI reports. Now, how you can design mobile layout? For Power BI dashboards, the process is simple. Here I have a Power BI dashboard that if I go to that dashboard, it looks like this, for example. Now, this is the desktop layout or web layout of that dashboard. But if I go to Edit, and under Edit, if I go to Mobile Layout, that is the place that I can actually design a mobile layout. By default, these are all unpinned, so the mobile layout would be blank, but I can then drag and drop them exactly as I want by pinning them into here. For example, I can put this one first, even making it smaller, bigger, or as much as size as you want. Same thing for other charts, and you can choose which one comes first, which one comes next. Like for example, I can push this one after the other one. I can bring this one up, right? You can customize it like that. Pretty simple customization option, but as soon as you do that, then this will be exactly like that in a mobile view. And of course, your desktop layout or web layout would remain intact. That is for dashboard. But what about the report? For the reports, in Power BI desktop, there is a place that you can do that design and change it to mobile view. This is not new. This has been there for many years, but recently Microsoft Power BI team enabled some of really new features which are helpful. To go to the mobile view, for example, for this page, I go to the View tab, and then from the View tab, I go to Mobile Layout. Mobile Layout is a place that I can then see a view of a mobile device here. These are all visuals from my existing report. I can add any of these that I want in there. Like for example, I can add the image at the top. I can add this card visual beside it. Now, when you add certain visuals, they might have like a big font, or some of them might have small font. It depends on the size of your screen. They might not be perfectly designed for a mobile view. You can actually change that settings. For example, this looks really big in phone. I might go and say, well, for this visual, and there's a set of settings for the visual. For example, the callout value is what I'm going to change to much smaller font. And then I'm going to make it smaller too, so that it fits this area. And as you can see, when I apply these changes, this setting has a little mobile report icon beside it now. That means that this setting is now customized for mobile. This is mobile only customization. If I go to the desktop layout by clicking on that mobile layout, I would still see the same thing that I had before. So this visual pretty much has two different settings, one for mobile layout, one for desktop layout. And I can do this for all of these visuals. I can, for example, bring this visual. In this visual, for example, I can change the font sizes, anything, and you can exactly choose how you want these visuals to look like. This is a new functionality. So if you are using it like these days, at the time of that I created this video and blog article, you may need to go to the files, options and settings, options, and then enable this preview feature to be able to use it. Normally you need to close and open Power BI desktop after that. So it's preview features, and it is this option that says modify visual setting for mobile layout. But I imagine this would be released as a GA very soon in the next few months. So here you can see my mobile layout, and the report in desktop layout is still intact. Nothing has changed. Now this setting has to be done for every page. I highly recommend doing this for every page, because you don't want one report page to be mobile friendly, the others not. After you do that, after you publish it, then you can see the report on mobile view. So as you can see in my mobile view, I would also see if the report has a mobile layout. You see that little mobile icon beside the report's icon? That shows me that this report is a mobile friendly report. When I click on the report, it looks exactly like what we have designed there. It gives us the scroll up, scroll down feature, and we haven't lost the desktop layout. If we turn our phone to landscape mode, we would see the desktop layout, but then you might need to have a phone that is in a size that works with the desktop layout. The phone layout always works in a vertical mode when you keep it in a portrait mode, and this is a really important step. When you design your report, also consider that Z pattern of design, which I have explained about that more in my blog article, which you can find the link down below. So this was the tip of the day. Thank you again. I'm Rad from RADACAD. Please follow our YouTube channel, subscribe if you like to hear more about Power BI. We have weekly videos on Power BI. Thank you.